Welcome back to my channel. Actually, I look like this because I am editing, and I just wanted to do a video real quick because I've been seeing, actually I haven't been seeing, I only saw it once. I saw this post, actually let me just adjust this. I saw this post on Instagram where this Garri was, oh, this one even looks worse. But yeah, I saw the post where Garri was plated in a nice way, but then the only thing that was disrupting it was lemon. So I just wanna, let's have a conversation real quick. Do you guys put lemon in your Garri? Because I don't, and I won't say I'm pissed off. I'm just like, maybe I should just show you guys how I make my own Garri, because it's like some people don't know how to make Garri. You need the right ingredients to be able to make the perfect Garri, and this weather that is coming out, you know, sunny, hot, it's Easter, everything is just, you know, beautiful. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I make my own Garri, so stay tuned for that. Okay, before I go, I'm gonna put a picture here of the post I saw on Instagram. Just put it here, and I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks. Can you see the lemon? First of all, the nuts, not my taste. Do you know what? I'm not blaming whoever did this. I'm just saying like, oh, I haven't seen it before, so I'm just like, this is not something I would do. This is not my taste. So I just wanted to, you know, show you guys how I make my own Garri. And I know that I haven't made a food video in a while, so I'm just, you know, putting it out there because it's quarantine, everyone's at home. Just wanted to give you guys some content so you guys can just enjoy this. So let's do it. So guys, we're in the kitchen now, and I'm going to be showing you how I make my own Garri. You need your bowl, Garri, sugar, spoon, ice cubes, peanuts, and water. So let's get cooking. So guys, the first thing you want to do is you want to put the amount of Garri you require into this bowl, and you also have to take in consideration into consideration that some Garri, they swell. So like mostly Ijebu Garri, you know, like, because, you know, I don't really know the science behind it, but you know, they swell because it's made of cassava, if you get me. So this is the first time I'm actually trying this Garri because a guy just finished, so we just got this new one. So I'll be putting, I use this spoon. I'll be putting one of this. Let me put a little bit more. Then we're going to get our water. You're going to use this water to basically wash the Garri, because when you are frying Garri, it has some impurities, and you want to wash that away because so that it can be clean, you know, and nice. That's what we're going to be doing. I'm gonna fill it. Just gonna show you guys. I don't know if you guys can see. Like, you're gonna fill it to like the almost to the brim. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about, the impurities. What I mean by the impurities, you see the top, you don't want that. You don't want to be drinking that. You're gonna sieve it away. I'm gonna show you guys now. This is how it should look like after, you know, sieving it away. I can tell like this Garri swells quickly, so I'm just gonna walk fast, and I'm gonna put some more water. So guys, I'm gonna be adding more water. This is a lot. This is too much. You should add your sugar to your required taste, to be honest, because the next thing you need, peanuts as well. Add to your required taste, I mean quantity. You don't want it to be too overcrowded by peanuts though, because you still want to enjoy the flavor of the Garri. Do you get what I mean? Oh, and that's it. This one. And then the last thing is to add your ice cubes. I usually just add like a few, like this quantity is enough for me. But the ice ice cube just allows it to, you know, dissolve as you drink it. You know, like as you drink Garri, it dissolves and you drink it. This is actually a whole meal because this is a lot. It's getting cold, and that's how you make your Garri, guys. Very simple and easy. I'm going to transfer it to a nicer bowl so that you guys can see it, because this bowl is not working with me. What do you guys think about that? Doesn't that look so beautiful? Doesn't that look beautiful? Better. But also, to add some more taste, some people prefer to put, you know, powdered milk, you know, and all those jars, or liquid milk, but I don't do that. I used to do that, but I got tired of it. It started to, what's it called, irritate me. So yeah, that's how you make your Garri, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you like to see more of this, please thumbs up the video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, and share, and, you know, comment. Let's keep the conversations going. You know, tell me what you think, tell me what you don't think, tell me what I've done right, tell me what I've done wrong, so we just, you know, keep chatting, you know. And also in my previous video I said I wanted to hit 1K subscribers by the end of the year, so please subscribe to my channel, guys, and that will really help my channel. I'm really trying to grow. Anyways, thank you. I'm rambling a lot now. I need to drink this Garri because it's gonna swell to the peak. Anyway, bye guys.